Hi guys, welcome to the garden again. As you can see, I'm in the greenhouse. My name is Daisy, and if you are new to my channel, let me tell you what I do here. I usually do some gardening videos. I do some DIY projects as well. Lately, I've been working on pallets, transforming them into planters, and I also share some vegetarian cooking recipes. So today's video is about gardening. I would be able to show you how I transformed a pallet in a tomato planter as well. So please keep watching, and I will show you how I did it and how I planted the tomatoes in it. Hello guys, so this is what we've been working on since yesterday. This is the soil which I got ready by adding compost and all, and this is the post I fixed just to hold the wires in place. I just happen to have these from an old gazebo. Yeah, these are the wires I've attached, and then these are the hanging wires. So each wire will be next to a plant. Each one has got a wire. So these one, what we'll do is once we've planted the tomatoes, we'll just have these wires pegged to the ground next to each plant. Hopefully it will give it a good support. When you have these, it's just encourage the plant to grow vertically rather than horizontally. Come out of these jungle of wires. There you go. And we're ready to start planting. Here, I've just dug some holes where I can put the plants. And these are the plants. As you can see, they're big enough to be transplanted. Just gonna initially put some compost in each of these holes I made. There you go guys. I think that is deep enough. And now I'll just take the plant off the pot. I'm just going to get rid of those leaves on the side. Okay, that's it. I clean the stem. Now I'm just gonna put it in the hole. Cut in, and now just cover it. There you go guys. The planting is done. I've hung the wires on top at the moment because they were just in the way. Managed to fit in around 18 plants. So 18 plants is good enough. I have a project coming up with the pallets I've got. So I'm planning to make a large planter, fill it with soil, and put some more plants in there. And whatever's left will go to friends, hopefully. See that? That's what we call good work. Guys, you need to be very careful when you do this, because if you're not good with the hammer, please don't even try. Stick to the stapler. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is done. Let me explain to you what I've done. As you see in the video, I've cut this bit. There's like a wood, piece of wood that run in the middle here. So I've removed that bit, as you saw. And then put a piece around here, piece around there, on 4 sides. And then just cut this landscaping material, which was a bit tricky with the wind blowing and also the angle it is. As I said to you before, if you had stapler, it's much easier. You could just put it in and go with it all around it. But that's not too bad. I've got these little nails which I've used to fix them. So all I need to do is make sure I make holes, because this can hold water quite a lot. So yeah, this little hole that, you know, when I fill the soil in, not too much because you'll find the soil coming out otherwise. As you can see, the planter is now ready. I have brought it in the garden where I want it to be, and I have elevated it on 4 bricks so it doesn't damage the lawn underneath it. I am going to now fill it with 4 packets of compost. This is how much it will take to fill this planter. If you have some soil, you could mix it with the compost just to give it a bit more volume, which means you wouldn't have to use so much compost. So guys, for the amount of tomato plants I'm going to put in there, the soil might not be enough to provide all the nutrients that they need. Hence why I'm going to add some plant feed in the compost and mix it to make sure that the tomato plants have enough nutrients. I'm using the Grow More plant feed, which I've used all season this year, but there's plenty of choices out there, guys, in the market. Yes guys, as you can see, I've managed to find a way how to put 6 poles around this planter. I have used rope on top and at the bottom to keep them all in place. What I've done next is tie some ropes vertically. So each plant will have a rope next to it. These ropes I've attached on the top and I've nailed it right down at the bottom of the planter. And when the plant grows a bit bigger, I will attach the stem to these ropes. The whole point of this is to guide the plant to grow along that rope, and in thus doing you stop it from growing horizontally, which means you're saving space. Before you put the plant in the ground, try to remove all the lower leaves from the stem. The problem with these leaves are they usually touching the ground, the soil, and then they tend to get diseases. So to stop that, you'll need to just remove these leaves and then plant it as deep as you can. This is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you in some ways. I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these, and do leave me your comments in the comment section below. Take care, goodbye, see you in the next one.